Welcome back to the Idea to Income training. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at practical frameworks. Now that we have covered the fundamental principles, okay, we've covered the basics, okay, so what are the frameworks that you can use to actually get started with the process of converting your idea to income? My name is still Philip Amiola, and like I said earlier, you can connect with me on my personal website. You are going to get a gift, okay, when you sign up there. Okay. Remember this before we go on, nothing grows without commitment. If you are not ready to be committed, don't even get started. A lot of people just want to make money, but they don't want to do the work. You are going to do the work, okay? The interesting thing is that the work will keep on paying off. So if you are the kind of person that just wants money any which way, this is not for you. So you must make up your mind. You are going to be committed to the process. Just like we gave the example of, incubation, you have a baby planted in the womb and then the baby keeps growing. It takes a lot of commitment from the mother, okay, to carry that pregnancy. It takes a lot of commitment from the parents, together to nurture the baby, you understand, and make the baby grow. And that is the same way it is with everything. Even as a farmer, you understand, there has to be that commitment, okay? That's why Jesus Christ said that if you put your hand on the plow, that anybody that puts his hand on the plow and looks back is not worthy of the kingdom. Okay, and that's another thing we're going to talk about. Kingdom in this sense is not about, the kingdom, the way people look at it religiously. Okay, the kingdom in this sense is that what is it that God has called you to do? Okay, what is kingdom is just like using the word government. So the same way we have governments in this world, God also has his own government. God has his plans. He has the things he wants to do on the earth. He has the plans and purposes he wants to fulfill. Okay, and you have a role to play in making that happen. What I am doing now is part of the role that I am playing, okay? And Jesus said that seek ye first the kingdom of God and all these things shall be added to you, okay? So that thing that God has called you to do, you just keep doing it. Then all of the other things that people are running after, they are running after money, they are running after a lot of things, those things will be running after you, those things will be looking for you, okay? So that's what he's saying. And he now said that if you put your hand on the plow and you look back, then you are not worthy of the kingdom. Okay, that means you are not worthy of that thing that God wants to bring you into. Okay, it just goes back to commitment. And in another place, he said that, if you are going to follow me, you must take up your cross daily. Nobody will carry your cross for you. You have to carry it by yourself. In fact, there was a rich man that wanted to follow Jesus, and Jesus said, go and sell everything you have, then come and follow me. It's a test of commitment. Do you understand? And if you are going to convert your idea to income, you're also going to go through those tests of commitment. In my own case, there was a time that things were so bad that I was going to sell my laptop. My laptop is my primary tool, for crying out loud. I said, see, let me just sell this laptop. At least I will be able to, get food stuff for the house and all of that, and then I can go get a job. And like I've always said, unemployment is optional. Underemployment is understandable, but unemployment is optional. I believe that if you are out of job for more than 3 months, it's because you chose to. It's not because there are no jobs. You may not get a job that suits what you want, but you always get a job. If you may not even get a job, but there's always more than enough work. Okay, and there's a difference between work and job. Most people don't really want to work. They just want a place where they can get money. So, but I knew that if I wanted a job because I'm ready to work, I knew I could easily get a job. So I just said, let me even sell this my laptop. All of this building a business, generating ideas and turning them into income. I think I'm tired. Okay, let me just get a job. I got to that point and I was almost selling my laptop. Thank God for my wife that encouraged me. I said, what did you see when you started? This. She said some things. And I said, well, okay, let us keep at it. That is commitment. You understand? So you may even need people around you to give you that kind of support and encouragement at those crucial moments. Okay. And if you have read my book, How to Start Your Own Business, you saw the story of how I got started. And I told myself, okay, if I'm not able to pay rent, I am going to go back to my parents' house. All of those kind of things. It's commitment. You are not for me. I actually sold my car. At that point, but there are people that say, everybody already knows that I'm driving. And then, what will people say? Well, do you understand? You have to forget about all of those what will people say kind of thinking. Do you get the point? So that commitment, I'm hammering on it because it's very important. I'm going to get to places where you feel that this thing is not working. But if you keep at it and you keep making necessary adjustments, you keep learning, you are going to break through. I have broken through now by God's grace. I can never, ever, go back to where I was again. If somebody offers me a job now and they are going to be paying me $10 million per month, I'm not going to take it because the value of what I have is far, far higher. Now, if you are going to hire me as a consultant, why not? I'll consult for you. But if you want me to be an employee in your company, I've left that forever. Now, you understand? Now, like I said, there's nothing wrong with being an employee. It's just, a choice. You can make the choice that works best for you. I am just saying that there are times that it looks like this thing is not going to work. But if you commit to it, you will eventually break through, and you can never, ever go back to that place that you were again. It's just like death and resurrection, like going back to the example of Jesus Christ again. I said that I see the Bible as a book of life strategy, so I pick a lot of practical principles from it. Now, Jesus went to he was humiliated, he was beaten, he was battered, but he committed himself to the process and to the point of death. But after he resurrected, after he rose up, death has lost its power over him. He can never ever be in that state again. He's glorified now forever. Do you understand? That is also the way it happens in business and in the process of turning your ideas to income. You get to a point where it's just like escape velocity in physics. You can't come back again. You just keep going up. Okay, that is where I am. I am now, by the grace of God. I will just keep going up, higher and higher, forward ever and higher, upward and forward only. That's the only direction I can take. I cannot go back, go forward, come back, go forward. No, I've left that stage. Okay, and that is what happens when you are committed to the process. If that is the only thing that you get from this lesson and you put it in mind, I tell you, it's going to be worth $1 million. Okay, so what are the 4 steps in our framework? The framework that we're going to be exploring, I told you we're going to have frameworks and we're going to have models. We'll talk about models in the next lesson, but in this lesson, we're looking at the frameworks. So we have digital products. You can package your idea in the form of a digital product. You can package it in the form of a DIY product, do it yourself. You can package it in the form of a DWY product, done with you. And we also have DFY, done for you. I'm going to explain. Now, whatever idea it is that you have, you can create digital products from it, like books. Okay, you have read my book, for example. Some of you have read my book, How to Start Your Own Business. That is a digital product, an ebook. I could have sold that ebook. I could sell it for $5, $10, 3,000 naira, 1,000 naira. That's something. So I'm already converting my idea to income with that digital product. So that's an example. You can have a worksheet, you can have a guide, you can have a manual, you can have a short video tutorial, and that you charge people for it. Do you understand? That is an example. Now, let me use, well, we're still going to see prototypes and patterns, but let me just use a simple example. We asked when you were signing up for the training, what do you do and all of that. So I'll just pick an example. Now, we have quite a number of people that are into fashion business. Now, this applies to anything. So whatever you are doing, you just take it and apply to this. So let's say you are a fashion designer, you are a tailor. Now, you can create a digital product. You can create an ebook for people that want to learn fashion designing, or for people that want to learn how to pick the right clothes, or whatever problem people have been coming to go for. You can create a small ebook for that. Do you understand? That is the digital product. Now, Ribbons and Stitches, she's one of our clients. Okay, she's probably listening to this too. Now, she's a fashion entrepreneur, and she has quite a number of digital products. Now, there was a time that she's creating more. Now, there was a time that she had something that she called wardrobe staples. If you are on this call, you can type in the chat, say hi. Okay. Now, so that wardrobe staples, it's okay. You want to quickly just make what you can wear on your own. You don't want to talk to a tailor, a fashion designer. She created a training for that. Now, that is a DIY kind of thing. That's a DIY offer. You understand? Okay. Then there is the DWY. That's the done with you. That's like an apprenticeship program. She has an apprenticeship program. Can you see how you have different levels of value now? So the apprenticeship program is there now, where you come into a place, into a workshop, you work together on projects, she shows you what to do, she guides you through. That is a DWY offer. That's an apprenticeship program, which people are also going to pay for that. Then apart from the fact that people are paying for your apprenticeship program, you are, those apprentices are also working on projects that are creating value for you. For example, as a fashion designer, they could be making ready-to-wear dresses for you. Okay, ready to wear, and the people just come and then they just pick the ready to wear and they buy. But it is on apprentices that made those clothes for you, and that is also creating another stream of income. Do you see how this thing works? Now, that ready to wear that you created is an example of the DFY model done for you. Okay, so people, you have already done it. People don't need to come and then take measurement and all of that. You've done it. They just pick it up. Okay, that is DFY, done for you. So these are the 4 frameworks that we're going to be exploring, and I will show you very practical examples that we have done. Okay, and I'm also showing you how you can. I'm also going to show you how you can apply this to any kind of business. But what I have done here is to give you an overview. So in subsequent lessons, we're going to look at the models. Okay, then after looking at the models, then we're going to plug in the models into the frameworks, and we are going to see practically how this works and how you can also take your idea and then turn it into a digital product, turn it into a DIY offer, turn it into a DWY offer, turn it into a DFY offer. And at each level, you are increasing the income that you are creating, okay, and you are also increasing the value that you are delivering to your clients. Okay, now ultimately the goal is that you want to achieve transformation. It's not about, there is a lot of information out there already. When the information age, in fact, there is information overload already. So it's not about you just want to give people more information. It's not even about education. Education is more powerful than information, but the goal of education itself is transformation. Okay, so you get the attention of your target market. That's the beginning. Like I got your attention now. That's why you signed up for this training. Okay, and you are going through the process. The goal is that at the end, you are transformed. You are a totally different person. You can do, what you could not do before. Maybe you did not have a business before. You had a business before. You only had 1 stream of income. Now you can have 2 streams, 3 streams, 4 streams, 5 streams of income from the same idea. That is transformation. Do you understand? And that is what you want to create for everybody that works with you. Okay, so you want to create transformation for them as you take them through increasing levels of commitment. We talked about commitment earlier. So for you, it was easy for you to just sign up. No, some people, it wasn't even easy for them to sign up. They looked at it and said, okay, I'm going to, so this thing is not even free. So they left. So those people are not even committed at all. But for those of you that signed up and you saw that this thing is not so much now, let me sign up, and then you signed up, that is a commitment. You have made a commitment. The fact that you are right here, taking this right now is another level of commitment. And then it will keep taking you like that, okay, until you get to the highest level. And you look back and you are like, wow, everything has changed. You see the transformation. And honestly, that is the most common word that we have received from people that have gone through our various programs. They say it's transformational. That's the most common feedback that we have received. And that is the goal that you should have, okay, as somebody that wants to turn your idea into income. Some people, for example, they just create an ebook and they are selling the ebook and they're selling, is it only ebook? Can't you do an online course, for example, from the same material? Can you have a coaching program from the same material? How can you turn that thing into a process, not just one product? You should have a process that people go through from one level to the other. For example, now I've told you about our retreats. Do you understand? So you started by signing up, you read my book. Okay, for those of you that have done the assignments, now you are taking this training. Now there is a retreat. After the retreat, there will be an opportunity for coaching. I told you earlier that I will coach you for 6 weeks. Then after those 6 weeks, okay, there will be an opportunity for a year-long. You can sign up for a year-long coaching program. Okay, we're actually combining the coaching program with a mastermind. So there is no way you will go through all of that, and there is no way that you go through and then you will not turn your again to me, because it's not possible. It's just like, I give this example a lot. You put water on fire, you don't need to pray for that water to boil. It's a process and it's a law. You understand? So we have thought through, and all of these things are scientifically validated processes. So it's something that that if I do this, this is going to happen. Do you understand? So whatever it is that you are doing, you should also create that kind of process. So what do I need to do? What process do I need to take my clients and my prospects and my customers through to create the kind of transformation that they need? And at each level, they are going to be making, more commitment, and more commitment, also from them also translates to more income from you. Like when you come for the retreat now, I've told you the retreat is free, okay, at least for this period that I mentioned earlier, it's free. But when you come, you are going to see how we're going to make money from that free program. Do you understand? And in fact, you are even going to be very happy that we are making money, because we have created transformation for you. Do you understand? These are very practical things, okay? And that's why it's important that you come to the retreat so you see how all of this plays out. But it's not like we're not hiding anything. We've told you already, okay? And if you have questions also, please go ahead and ask, and we're going to clarify everything. But this is how it works. This is the framework, okay? So we're going to now look at the models. Then we plug in the models into the frameworks, look at the practical prototypes, and you see how you can implement the same, okay? Okay, but if you want to achieve the results faster, then I advise that you sign up for the retreat, and we are going to get information about that on the discussion platform. Thank you very much. And before we close, and I've told you already about the retreat, the only requirement is that you take all of the lessons and you complete all of the assignments. Okay, then you can get a chance, okay, to have me work with you one-on-one, at the retreat. When I say one-on-one, of course, we're going to have like maybe 10 to 12 people, but I will give each person one-on-one attention. Okay, yeah, so thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next lesson.